In this video, I'll demonstrate ROBucket. ROBucket is a simple operant device developed by Kavya, Devarakonda, and Katrina Nguyen in the Kravitz lab at NIDDK. The original paper was published in 2016, and you can find that paper as well as instructions on how to build ROBucket on the Hackaday link. ROBucket is controlled with an Arduino Uno. That's this bottom board down here. It writes data to an Adafruit SD shield, and then it includes a LCD and button shield made by DF Robot for displaying data and controlling the device. On the inside of the device, there are 3 photo interrupters. These detect left pokes, right pokes, as well as when the mouse is in the center poke receiving the reward. When the correct number of pokes have been made, the Arduino triggers this relay shield to open and energize the solenoid, thereby dispensing whatever liquid is in the syringe. So let's see how this works. When we first start out, we have 4 options. Up is an FR1 session, down is an FR5 session, right is magazine training, meaning it'll dispense once every 60 seconds to train the animal for where the sugar comes from. And then to the left is a progressive ratio, which means that on the first trial it'll take 1 poke, on the second trial it'll take 2, on the third it'll take 4, and so on to test motivation. So let's start with an FR1 session. We'll see that what we get on the screen is A for active pokes, I for inactive, and R means how many rewards are dispensed. So if I poke on the active side, it opens the solenoid for 100 milliseconds, it writes data to the SD card, and then it shows that we have 1 active poke, 0 inactive, and 1 reward was dispensed. If I poke on the inactive side, we can see nothing happens, that number increments. If I poke on the active side again, we get another dispense. Every time the reward dispenses, it writes these variables to the SD card along with the timestamp so that we get an accurate record of the animal's behavior across the session. So that's ROBucket. You can visit the Hackaday and build your own.